Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. As you know, Samsung recently launched the new S20 Fan Edition. I posted yesterday a video about it. Click the card in the right corner or check the link in the description if you wanna see that video. Today we are gonna make a comparison video between the new S20 FE and the Galaxy S20. They have similar prices, the S20 FE starting from $699 and the S20 which you can find from $649 or even cheaper. So let's see which one you should choose if you are looking forward to buy a new phone. But before we move on to the video, I want to remind you to make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you have the notification bell so you are not gonna miss any future videos. The S20 FE has a 6.5 Super AMOLED display while the S20 has a 6.2 inch Super AMOLED display. So you're getting a bigger display with the S20 FE, but the S20 has a bigger resolution, 1440p compared to 1080p on the S20 FE, and you got Gorilla Glass 6 on the S20 while you have just Gorilla Glass 3 on the S20 FE. Both of them has 120Hz refresh rate. For the memory, we have the S20 FE with 6 or 8GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage, and we have 8GB of RAM on the S20 with 128GB of internal storage. Both of them have expandable memory. The slightly advantage of the S20 FE is the UFS 3.1 storage compared to the UFS 3.0 on the S20. For the cameras, we have a pretty big difference. Both have a triple camera setup, but with some differences. Both have the same main camera, a 12 megapixel one, and similar ultra-wide cameras with 12 megapixel. But for the telephoto camera, we have an 8 megapixel one on the S20 FE, while we have a 64 megapixel on the S20 which can record up to 8K videos. So we lost the 8K recording on the S20 FE and the super steady videos. For the selfie camera, we have a big win for the S20 FE cause it has a way bigger sensor. 32 megapixels on the S20 FE while we only got 10 megapixels on the S20. For the batteries, we have a 4500 mAh on the S20 FE and the 4001 on the S20. Both compatible with 25 fast charging, but you got the 25 watt brick just with the S20. With the S20 FE, you get just the 15 watt charger. Both can do wireless charging at 15 watt and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watt. And the last major difference between the two of them is the build quality. The S20 FE comes with a flat display and a glass-stick back with a matte finish, while the S20 comes with a curved display with a glass back. It's up to you if this is an important thing or not. So this was the comparison between the S20 FE and the S20. They are both a good deal for the price. Now it's up to you which one is the one to get. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you are not gonna miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!